Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Amgen faces setbacks as safety concerns arise over its obesity candidate, while the Biden administration reveals an ambitious plan to triple nuclear energy capacity by 2050. Is Tesla's trajectory in 2024 reminiscent of Apple's pre-iPhone era, Nvidia before AI chips, and Amazon when it was just a bookstore? Enterprise Products Partners explores new financial avenues with a mixed shelf offering. Kava Group surpasses expectations with a GAAP EPS of 15 cents and revenue hitting $243.8 million. Wheat stocks surge following reports of Trump's support for marijuana reforms, but Micron sees a dip amid predictions of a softening outlook in 2025. Meanwhile, Pfizer considers selling its hospital drugs unit. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these stories and more. Amgen shares fell after Cantor Fitzgerald pointed out potential bone mineral density loss associated with its obesity drug candidate, MariTide. Despite these concerns, Jefferies doesn't see a major issue and considers the dip a buying opportunity. Amgen is planning a Phase 3 trial for obesity and related conditions later this year.
The Biden administration aims to triple U.S. nuclear energy capacity by 2050 to achieve net zero emissions. This involves adding 200 gigawatts through new reactors and upgrades. In the next decade, 35 gigawatts will be added, followed by an annual addition of 15 gigawatts by 2040. Following the announcement, uranium stocks mostly rose.
Tesla's stock jumped more than 30% after Elon Musk backed President-elect Trump. Analyst Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley points to excitement around artificial intelligence, data centers, renewable energy, and robotics. Tesla's market potential is anticipated to expand greatly. The company's base case price target is $310, with an optimistic outlook of $500.
Enterprise Products Partners has filed for a potential offering of mixed securities. The company reported third-quarter earnings per share of 65 cents, missing estimates by 1 cent, with revenue at $13.78 billion, falling short by $90 million. Despite this, the stock has risen for 7 consecutive sessions.
Kava Group reported third-quarter earnings per share of 15 cents, exceeding expectations by 4 cents. Revenue was $243.82 million, a 38.9% increase from the previous year, surpassing estimates by $10.74 million. Shares rose over 13%. The company raised its fiscal full year 2024 guidance due to improved restaurant openings and profit margins.
Cannabis stocks surged after Chris Christie suggested that President-elect Donald Trump might support marijuana deregulation. The Drug Enforcement Administration is reviewing a proposal to reclassify marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, alongside drugs like ketamine. This follows Florida's failed cannabis legalization initiative and could impact major U.S. cannabis companies and related exchange-traded funds.
Shares of Micron Technology and Western Digital fell by 5% after Edgewater Research reduced its price forecasts for NAND and DRAM. Demand from original equipment manufacturers and cloud service providers is decreasing, while data center demand remains unchanged. Analysts are cautious in the short term, anticipating pricing pressure until mid-2025.
Pfizer is considering selling its hospital drugs unit, which could be worth several $billion. The company has hired Goldman Sachs to gauge interest from potential buyers. Although hedge fund Starboard Value is pressuring for a sale, Pfizer may decide to keep the unit, which earns $500 million annually.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that drive your success forward. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.